In this intense video, what you're about to see is the incredible firepower of the UH-1Y Huey helicopter and AH-1 Super Cobra helicopter working in tandem to destroy a Taliban compound. With a mix of artillery, these aircraft get the job done in spectacular fashion. Let's take a look at this amazing footage. The U.S. Marines start by taunting the enemy after seeing the Cobra helicopter approaching in the distance.
Who's the infidels now? Here we go.
The bright light of a missile can be seen before the deep thud of it detonating in the compound, with another missile sent in shortly after. The Marines on the ground would have forced the enemy into the compound with machine gun fire, then held fire so as not to confuse the airships of their target. The AH-1 Super Cobra is equipped with either AGM-114 Hellfire or TOW missiles and a quad launcher on each wingtip, which you've just seen in action to devastating effect. Next come the rockets. 70mm Hydra 70 rockets and 127mm Zuni rockets accompany the heavier missiles. These are followed by a 20mm M197 3-barreled Gatling gun, which provides quick bursts of supporting fire. Let's watch these weapons in use. The rockets are sent in first, lighting up a trail in the night sky with a short blast of 20mm electric machine gun. The Cobra disappears into the darkness as the Huey arrives with a machine gun.
Get ready. Get ready.
The smaller UH-1Y Venom, aka Huey, carries two external stations from 70mm Hydra 70 rockets, as well as two mounts for either 51mm M240D machine guns or 51mm GAU-17A Gatling guns. The 55mm bullets can be seen bouncing off the target as the Marines sing a tribute to the famous film Team America.
America.
The Hydra rockets explode in the enemy compound before a blast of the machine guns and their recognizable sound.
There goes the Huey.
The Huey then kicks back in with more machine gun fire, bullets bouncing off into the night.
Hell yeah. He wasn't planning on doing that. He must have seen something.
That's awesome.
As the Huey also disappears into the distance, the Marines celebrate in the awesomeness of the air support. You can celebrate too by hitting that like button and subscribing for more content. Thanks for watching. Sergeant Rooster, over and out.